Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to do the unboxing of Insta360 X3. So this camera in here can record everything around you in a full 360 degrees angle. So you don't have to frame your shot or worry that you're gonna miss something important. Let's quickly open it up and see what's inside the box. The best thing about this camera is that you can shoot first and later decide how your video gonna look like. So it's easy for you to get the shot and make it unique. So this camera in here has a new half-inch sensor and can shoot up to 5.7K video when shooting in 360 mode, or 4K when using only a single lens. What's new about Insta360 X3 is that it comes with a bigger touchscreen, so it's easier to preview your shot or navigate through different settings. And you can also move around with your camera angle while previewing your shot.
And obviously Insta360 X3 is waterproof down to 10 meters out of the box, so that's really nice. However, if you want to go any deeper than that, perhaps you're scuba diving, then you're gonna need to have a dive case. Then you're gonna be able to go up to 50 meters with it, which is really nice.
There are plenty of other new features that this camera is capable of, but first, let me try it all out, and once I'm ready and collect some footage, I can talk about it in details. So if you're interested in Insta360 X3, then you can get a 10% discount on it, plus one free invisible selfie stick and a free t-shirt, if you order through my affiliate link. This special deal is only available for the first 20 people, so don't wait too long. I'll leave the link in the video description and a pinned comment. What's more, Insta360 are currently running a holiday promotion on their official website, where you can score some really nice savings. So if you need something, this offer gonna last till 24th of December. All I can say for now is that I'm pretty excited to test out this camera and see how much different it is from GoPro Max. Now, if you have any questions about Insta360 X3, please don't hesitate to ask, as I'm going to test it out for you. So for today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing video and stay tuned for my review. Thank you for watching once again and see you guys in the next video.